Okay, this is the house that we're fixing to move to. We're not moving in the house. We're gonna live in the RV right over in here, or right up in there. But as you can see, I can't get my RV in this driveway because those trees aren't near tall enough. So I've started today of cutting limbs down and trees down. I've already got one tree down. I wasn't going to cut the whole thing down, but Lisa's sister said the guy wanted the whole thing down. So anyway, that's the tree that I cut down. Look at all the sap coming out of it. This is the tree. I got to cut all that up yet and get stuff out of the way. And then I've got to cut that limb down, probably right there, and that one to about right there. So I'll probably just cut them off like right there at the tree line right there, and right there, and right there, so that's out of the way. And then this one here, as you can see how far it comes out, I'm going to cut it back probably all the way up there to there. And this one here, as you can see, this is a pecan nut tree. I'm planning on cutting the branches off right to there and right to there, and get that out of the way. And then that one back there, I got to get off the fence and get it cut down.